How to turn a 16 by 9 video into a 9 by 16 video with Luma's reframe tool. Important note before we begin. This tutorial assumes you are using a web browser and a laptop or desktop, not a mobile device or the Apple iOS Dream Machine application. The steps are the same if you are using a mobile device or the iOS application, but you may have to look around to find the buttons or links we mention. You can start by either creating a 16 by 9 video with Luma, or you can upload a video. All of the steps for uploading one to reframe or reframing the one you created are the same, except that there is an extra step if you are going to upload. If you are going to upload a video, first look on the left sidebar for the edit icon. Click it. Note, if your video is too long, you will get the trimming tool and have to select the chunk of video you want to work on. Also note, if your video file is too large, you will receive a notice about it being too large and be unable to upload the video. Once the system is happy that your video is not too large or too long, Luma will upload your video into the large video player window. Under the video, you will see a number of buttons that will allow you to do things to it. The button we want is labeled Reframe. Click the Reframe button to get this canvas page. Under the canvas, you will see this area. This is where you will type in a text prompt if you want to use one, where you will select the model you want to use, and where you will select the aspect ratio you want to use. I recommend you use Ray 2 Flash for reframing, but you can use either model. That is your choice. Since we want to turn this into a 9 by 16 video, find the 9 by 16 aspect ratio icon and click on it. Your canvas will now look like this. You can see the first frame of your video as a small rectangle in the middle of the canvas and a lot of empty space above and below it. For some reason, people think they can just leave everything like that and hit generate, and the AI will magically change everything so their wide, short, rectangular video, 16 by 9, turns into a tall, skinny video, 9 by 16. That will not happen. If you click generate right now, the AI will have to do something to fill in all that blank area at the top and bottom of the video, and the chances of that being what you want are slim to none. So now you have to adjust the video and make it fill the canvas. To do that, hover your mouse over the frame you can see in the middle of the canvas and the adjustment handles will appear. We need the frame to fill the canvas, so drag the handle away from the canvas until it is as full as it can get. Now we need to adjust the position of the content in the video. Left-click in the center of the video frame and drag it around to center the most important thing, the thing you want the viewer to see when the clip starts, in the center of the frame. Now type in a text prompt to tell the AI what to do with the video if you've decided you want to use one. But keep in mind, this is not the modify video function. This is the reframe function. So if you do use a text prompt, be reasonable about what you ask for. Don't ask the AI to turn your best friend into a zombie. You might not like the results. Reframe first, then use modify to turn your best friend into a zombie. Once you have the content centered and have added a text prompt if you are going to use one, click the large up arrow on the white circle to generate and be patient. You will see a blurry image show up quickly, and then it'll feel like everything has hung. It hasn't. The AI has to create 24 frames for every second of the video clip, and that means that for a 5-second clip, it has to create 120 frames. That's going to take a bit. Once it is totally done, you can download it, or you can modify it, or you can reframe it again, or whatever you would like to do.